It's been great to arrive here today, the first time that we've been able to visit Oecusse and to see such an amazing project. I think we can see from all of the young people here, all the hard work that they've been doing over the last few months. We have beautiful tomatoes here that are the first crop. It's ready to pick. We have lots of vegetables, and this is a great opportunity to see how people have learned about agriculture, what they've been able to produce, and we're looking forward to see how this works in the future. How can they sustain those, and what opportunity does this present for young people here in Oecusse? With the REVISTA Lafaek and the MANAAKI Scholarship Alumni Program and the agriculture, this is a great way to see programs that complement each other, work with each other, and can expand and broaden the impact that they have in the communities here in Oecusse. It's great to see the hard work that they're doing here. I really want to wish them well, and I hope that they can go on and have their own farms and their own businesses in the near future. But I can see they've got resilience, they've got experience, they've got the desire to learn, and they're all prepared to put in the hard work. You can't run a good business without doing a lot of hard work, and we can see that these young people here are really trying hard to make that an opportunity for themselves. I wish everyone BOLSU, and I hope that we will see each other again in the future. Obrigado, Bara.